just wanna keep moving till
our target is to solve problems involving equations in one variable. So we need to review. X plus 1 equals 10. What is x? The answer is 9. The second number, x minus 1 equals 12. X equals 13. The third number, 2x equals negative 14. X equals negative 7. Number 4, negative 3x equals negative 24. X equals 8. Number 5, 4x plus 1 equals negative 19. X equals negative 5. Now we will recall consecutive integers. We have the example of consecutive integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is a consecutive integers. Now we have consecutive add. What are the example of consecutive add? We have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. We have consecutive even. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we have consecutive odd and consecutive even. Now we will be answering consecutive integer problems. The problem now is find two consecutive integers whose sum is 9. So we have the consecutive integer here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Think of two consecutive integer that whenever you add, the sum will be equal to 9. So we have 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So that is our answer using mental mathematics. Now we are in the algebraic method. Using an algebraic method, let x be the first consecutive integer and let x plus 1 be the second consecutive integer. So x plus 1 equals 9. 2x plus 1 equals 9. 2x equals 9 plus negative 1. 9 plus negative 1 equals 8. 2x equals 8. Dividing both sides of the equation by 2. 2x divided by 2 is x. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have 4. What is the next consecutive integer? X plus 1, and that is 4 plus 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have our answer. 4 is the first consecutive integer, while 5 is the second consecutive integer. We'll proceed with the 3 consecutive integers. Find 3 consecutive integers whose sum is 12. Looking at our number, the consecutive integer, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Think of 3 consecutive integers that whenever you add, the sum will be equal to 12. 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 plus 5 is 12. So we have 3 consecutive integers, 3, 4, 5, whose sum is 12. Now we'll be using an algebraic method. Let x be the first integer, and let x plus 1 be the second consecutive integer. And let x plus 2 be the third consecutive integer. So we'll add the 3. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 12. 1x plus 1x plus 1x is 3x. 3x plus 3 equals 12. So 3x equals 12 plus negative 3. 12 plus negative 3 is 9. Dividing both sides of the equation by 3, x equals 3. So what is x? X is 3, is the first consecutive integer. This will become 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. This will become 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So we have our answer. We have 3 is the first consecutive integer. 4 is the second consecutive integer. While 5 is the third consecutive integer. And the sum of the 3 is 12. Now we are in the next problem. Find 2 consecutive even integers whose sum is 6. We have already even, consecutive even. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. 2 consecutive whose sum is 6. We have 2 and 4. That is using mental mathematics. Now we'll be using algebraic method. Let x be the first even integer, and let x plus 2 be the second consecutive even integer. So, why is it that this is x plus 2? If we have 2 and 4, what is the difference of 4 and 2? That is 2. Therefore, we need to add 2. So, x plus 2 equals 6. 2x plus 2 equals 6. 2x equals 6 plus negative 2. 6 plus negative 2 is 4. 2x equals 4. 2x divided by 2 equals 4 divided by 2. So, x is 2. If x is 2, this is x plus 2, and this is 2 plus 2, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. So we have 2 is the first consecutive even integer, 4 is the second consecutive even integer, while the total of 2 and 4 is 6. We are in the next. Find 3 consecutive even integers whose sum is 12. So 3 consecutive even whose sum is 12. So we have 2, 4, 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. This is by using mental mathematics. So now we can make use of algebraic method. Let x be the first consecutive even integer. Let x plus 2 be the second consecutive even integer. And let x plus 4 be the third consecutive even integer. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is 12. So 1x plus 1x plus 1x is 3x. 3x plus 2 plus 4 is 6 equals 12. 3x equals 12 plus negative 6. 12 plus negative 6 is 6. 3x equals 6. Dividing both sides of the equation by 3, x equals 2. So if x equals 2, this is 2 plus 2. And 2 plus 2 equals 4, and this is 2 plus 4, and 2 plus 4 equals 6. So we have the result. 2 is the first consecutive even integer, 4 is the second consecutive even integer, 6 is the third consecutive even integer, and the sum of the three is 12. We are in the next problem. Find 2 consecutive odd whose sum is 12. So we have the consecutive odd numbers here. We have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11, and the sum is 12. We have only 2, so we have 5 and 7 using mental mathematics. So I have explained to you a while ago how to solve using the algebraic method. So this is the solution using the algebraic method. So we have for the mental mathematics, the answers are 5 and 7. So we are in the next. Find 3 consecutive odd integers. The sum is 9. Again, using mental mathematics, 3 consecutive whose sum is 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So we have 1, 3, and 5 using mental mathematics. And this is the solution using algebraic method. So 1 is the first consecutive odd integer, 3 is the second consecutive odd integer, and 5 is the third consecutive odd integer, and the sum of the three is 9. Now we are in the 8th problem. Look at the picture. We have Mars and Venus. So Mars and Venus are the planet in our universe. So instead of using this one as a planet, I will make use of Mars and Venus as name of person in our age problem. Mars is 4 years older than Venus, and the sum of their age is 24. Find their age now. Let x be the age of Venus, and let x plus 4 be the age of Mars, since Mars is 4 years older than Venus. So we'll add the two. X plus 4 equals 24. 2x equals 24 plus negative 4. 24 plus negative 4 is 20. Dividing both sides of the equation by 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. What is the next representation? That is x plus 4, and that is 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. So we have our result. 10 is the age of Venus. 14 is the age of Mars. And the sum of the two is 24. Now we are in another age problem. So we have Pluto and Jupiter. Again, the two are planets in our universe, and I will make use of the two name as the name of person. So we have Pluto is 4 years younger than Jupiter, and the sum of their age is 24. Find their age now. So let x be the age of Jupiter, and let x minus 4 be the age of Pluto. So we'll add the two. X plus x minus 4 equals 24. 2x equals 24 plus 4. 24 plus 4 is 28. 2x equals 28. Dividing both sides of the equation by 2, the value of x is 14. If x minus 4, if this is 14, 14 minus 4 is 10. So we have our answer. 14 is the age of Jupiter, and 10 is the age of Pluto, and the sum of the two ages is 24. Now we have another age problem. Look at the picture. We have the father and the son. Look at the love given by the father to his son. And in the other picture, the respect given by the son to his father. So a father is 3 times as old as his son, and the sum of their age is 80. Find their age now. Let x be the age of the son, let 3x be the age of the father, and x plus 3x equals 80. X plus 3x equals 80. 4x equals 80. Dividing both sides of the equation by 4. 4x divided by 4 is x. 80 divided by 4 is 20. So we have 3x. This is 3 times 20, and 3 times 20 is 60. This will be the age of the father. So we have 20 is the age of the son, 60 is the age of the father, and the age of the father is 3 times the age of the son, and the total age is 80. Now we are in another age problem, but we have the person, Pat, and teen. So we'll be integrating English in our lesson. Pat is the opposite of teen, and teen is the opposite of Pat. Pat is 2 years younger than teen, and the sum of their age is 14. How old is teen? So it is stated here that teen is older than Pat, and Pat is younger than teen by 2 years. So we can make use of mental mathematics. We can make use of 6 and 8. So 6 plus 8 is 14, and 6 is what? Less than 2, than 8, no? Therefore, the question is how old is teen? Our answer is 8. Teen is 8 years old. Thank you for watching.